got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing.
Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Asma Zafar and I hope you're doing well. Today we are talking about something very important. Your child's dental health. Taking care of those tiny teeth is very crucial for their overall well-being. The number one thing that we should remember is we need to start early. Do you know that the oral care starts even before your baby's first tooth erupts? Wipe your baby's gums with a clean damp cloth every time after the feedings. Once you start seeing teeth in your baby's oral cavity, it's time to start gentle brushing. And that takes us to the second part of the video, which is choosing the right toothbrush and the right toothpaste for your child. For kids, we need to use a toothbrush with a small head and very soft bristles. And for the toothpaste, we need to use one which has a child-friendly flavor as well as fluoride content. A pea-sized amount is enough for the kids under 3 years of age and a little bit more for children older than that. But we have another problem. So children are not usually very good at following instructions. What can we do to make this process more interesting? We can make brushing fun, maybe using a timer to make a 2-minute challenge of it, or we can sing a short song while brushing our teeth. Also, you can help your child to pick out their favorite toothbrush and toothpaste to make it more enjoyable for them. The tip number 4 is to limit sugary drinks and snacks. Yes, every time we talk about oral hygiene, it all boils down to the diet. And the worst enemy of healthy teeth is sugary drinks and snacks. Try to offer your children a lot of different fruits and vegetables and plenty of water. But okay, let's be real. We already know this is not how it's gonna work. Children are gonna want to have some sugary drinks or sugary snacks in their diet. So even if you give them the sugary treats, make sure they brush their teeth afterwards. The tip number 5 is regular dental checkups. This is very basic common knowledge that we're supposed to have regular dental checkups every 6 months, and the round of dental checkup starts from the first tooth that appears in the oral cavity till death of a person. We also know that not everyone does that. Not everyone goes to their regular dental checkups every 6 months. But in this case, we also need to remember that when the child's first tooth appears in the oral cavity, it is very, very important for them to have regular checkups at the dental office, because this can lead to early detection of many abnormalities, skeletal as well as dental, which can lead to many huge problems in the future. And the last tip is that lead by example. Yes. So the children will learn whatever you do. You need to teach your children that oral hygiene is important. Let them see how you take care of your oral hygiene and how you maintain a healthy mouth. If they see you taking good care of your oral hygiene, taking good care of your brushing and flossing every day, they're probably gonna follow you. Now, I would like to conclude by saying that taking care of your child's teeth might look like a lot of work, but it's totally worth it. By following these simple tips, you are setting them up for a lifetime of healthy smiles. When it comes to dental health, prevention is definitely better than cure. Let's make oral health our priority. See you in another video. Thank you so much.